Fiti. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to town. It's on a Sunday. Let's go guys. So I'm going to town, then I come back home. Yo gari ni rangi gani?
Lime green.
Interesting. That's nice color on the
That's
car.
not a nice color.
It's a nice color. Hebu imagine gari ya baby blue.
It's better than lime green. Utafanya the screen.
Let's go. It's okay. Yeah, let's go. That's how you drive. That's how you drive. Msa amepaka hapo hivyo. Ole Kasasi. Digunas. Hapa kuna hizo Digunas.
Inside hapa. Ni camp.
Yeah. Check out that nice apartment. Unajua gari ina mafuta.
So, utafika huko juu ama uweke tu hapa. Ukikoma I swear nashuka nachukua na kuacha hapo.
Sunday. Sunday manenos. Let's go to town guys. Let's go to town on a Sunday. So now we are heading to Masai Lodge. Ongatarongai, Kajiado County, Kenya, Africa, to the world.
Sun hat, sunglasses anatufanyia tu hivi. Hey! Nikasema acha nisome nikuwe Monipo International.
Panda School. That's Panda School.
Na niko huko ndani. Nafikiri tumejaa tu Chinese na tumizungu.
Total Magadi Road. School fuel up. Niaje baba? Niwekee 2,000. Haya, utalipa 1,000 nilipe 1,000. Ndo hiyo. Brookhouse and then Galleria, then the roundabout. Bomas of Kenya and then you cut. That's the city of Townsville. So ukiendesha V8 unaweza fanya kenye unataka.
Hey, what's up with that person? Nako kwa ile na naenda huko.
Juu anaendesha V8. Wilson Airport. Now we are getting into town on a Sunday. Hey, kila siku inafaa kwa hivi Nairobi.
So empty.
No traffic. It's empty. Welcome to the city under the sun. Yep, that's how you get into the city. Now we are heading to a place in town called Tea Room. And it's on a Sunday, there are not very many people in town. But there are quite a number. Those who are going to church and doing other things.
People are traveling.
People are traveling.
Holiday.
Yeah. Oh, tomorrow is a holiday for planting trees. A machine.
Ukuje tu mpaka huku Tea Room, si ndio?
That's a BMW X6 on steroids.
Usiteremke chini mpaka 2NK.
Focus.
Unaona ukifika hapa ni Tuskys. Hii Tuskys iko hapo.
That's Tyson himself.
No.
Tyson himself. The Nakuru, not Kisumu. Now we are heading to find a car to go to Nakuru. So guys, I just finished with my errand in town. Now we are heading to Rongai, back home. Let's go. So guys, this is Tea Room, Accra Road in Nairobi on a Sunday. So many people are traveling because tomorrow is a holiday. That's why there are a lot of vehicles around here. This is where I take cars and public service vehicles to go to Meru, which is my home county, Meru County. This is the famous River Road in Nairobi. River Road. This is where you can get almost anything that you want in this country. And I mean like anything. These are the real hustlers. The real hustlers. Hustle. Oh, I didn't see that portal. Now I want to head to University Way, head to Uhuru Highway, and then go back to Rongai. Nairobi on a Sunday. That's how it looks like. This is Moi Avenue. This is Moi Avenue. The city. So that's a red light. Guys, always observe your traffic rules. Oh no, 9 seconds to go. Let's go. See, that matatu didn't want us to go, so he blocked the road. Yep, matatus. Guys, the round building that you see is a Hilton Hotel. Hilton Hotel. Uhuru Highway. Uhuru Highway. The expressway actually changed the face of the city. Now it looks more of a city. Yeah. Like Nairobi looks awesome because of the Nairobi expressway. That's Nyayo Stadium. That's Nairobi West. That's Wilson Airport. Guys, it has started to rain. Rain. One of the best days to drive in the city of Nairobi is on a Sunday. No day beats a Sunday when it comes to the experience of driving. You know, not many people on the roads, and those who are on the roads, they are going slowly, and there are no like crazy drivers on the road, so it's very enjoyable to drive on a Sunday. So the camera is not doing this justice, but it's raining heavily. But you can't see this on the camera for some reason. But it's raining heavily. To Ongata Rongai. So thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So the car is at 166,000 kilometers.